up, everybody? So I'm at the airport and I'm getting pulled over. Here we go. So I'm getting pulled over by some pig. They're mad because I'm going slow. What for? What for? What for? What? Well, I'm asking you what for. Why? Why am I being stopped? Sir, you do not have permission to open my door.
Well, you wouldn't roll the window down.
I don't have to roll the window down. Give me my paperwork. I do not have to roll my window down, sir.
I'd like to see your
I need to see your supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
I need to see your supervisor. Please close my door and don't touch my property again. Can I have my paperwork,
Sir,
please?
I saw you commit a traffic infraction.
No, I did not commit a traffic infraction.
We can go 1 and 2.
You're going to give me an ultimatum now? All right. Now, I'm at the airport. I'm driving slowly around the thing.
Sir, I saw you stop.
Where?
On recirculation drive.
No. Now he's going to make up something that I stopped when I never stopped. At one point, I did stop when my blood sugar was feeling low. Now these two officers have opened my door against my will. Go ahead, what else you got? Now he's gonna threaten me with an ultimatum. He's opened my door against my will. They try to force me to roll down my window. Florida law states I do not have to roll down my window.
Actually, you do because you have to.
Actually, I don't. Present, exactly. I can present it at the window.
No, that's just.
Sir, read the law. It's right there in your hand. I have handed him the law. The law is right in his hand. He refuses to read the law that he's supposed to obey. Sir, are you going to obey the law or not? What is your name and badge number?
I am Sergeant Finley, badge number 23.
Sergeant Finley, badge number 23, doesn't know the laws he's supposed to enforce. You're holding the law that he's holding my property with the law he just tried to tell me written on the piece of paper that he took from me. Can I please have my property back? Okay, so he says I need to present my ID. I'm not required to sign any tickets. I'm not required to hand you my license. Section 322.15, and I'm not, do not have to roll down my window, which they tried to do, and when I wouldn't roll down my window, he snatched my door open. So, now what?
I need to see your driver's license.
For what reason?
Because you committed a traffic infraction.
You're lying right now.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are, sir.